It's game over.
I lost again? Ugh, what good is this anyway? I smell an upgrade coming. Yep, that's what I'm talking about. Wait, what's with the pink? Who would do that?
My bad. It's just much cuter this way. Tastier, too. Hey! Change it back!
It's much better this way.
Oh, yeah? Give me that thing!
No!
Yes!
What the?
What's going on?
I'm scared.
Whoa!
I'm kinda digging this.
Definitely! Hey, look! Whoa!
Wanna open it? An envelope? What's this? A pizza?
Looks pretty good.
I guess. Whoa! What's all this?
It's all brown.
Exactly! Shall we? Woohoo!
You're good at that. Watch me. Uh-oh! Here it comes! Ugh! Jeez.
That was epic!
And painful. Stop! I gotta figure this out. Perhaps some pink is in order? Bring on the strawberry syrup. Make that messy strawberry syrup. Ew. I better keep going. Still pink. I guess it's okay. Not too appetizing, though. Hello? Yeah.
What do we got?
It's not right. I need help.
I hear ya. How about this and some fluff? Everyone loves this stuff. Just look at that goo factor. Topped with some pink bubblegum. But why stop there? Pink and red candy for the win! See? That's cool. I got my own idea. The chef is in. Okay. A little help here. Oh, hey up there. Okay. Oh, the Nutella? Sounds good. Yep, the more the better. So delicious. Okay, and next? More chocolate, of course. Super sweet. And some chocolate caramel pieces. Whoa, easy there. Time to make it rain. Chocolate forever! Alrighty. Mwah! One pink pizza coming right up.
Bon appetit!
You like?
It was just perfect!
What about this masterpiece? Hello? Over here?
What?
Just try it, okay? Don't have to twist my arm. Oh! Whoa! Compliments to the chef!
Seriously!
Yep, I know. Uh-oh. I mean, I'm fine.
You sure about that?
Later.
Uh-huh.
Where's she off to? Now what?
Beats me. Did we just win the jackpot or what?
I definitely did. Just look at this. And it's all mine. Oh, heaven on a spoon. Oh, man. So good. Such a small spoon, though. Now we're talking. Get in there.
You good over there?
Mind your biz, Mindy. I'm one step ahead of you. Let's all just chill, shall we?
Oh my.
Phew. Nice. Time to dig in. Check out this Choco Wonder. Wow. Cheers. Delicious. And cold. Yummers.
To each his own. I'm more into that bubblegum life. So good.
Is it good?
I don't know. Wait, I've got it. Things are about to heat up in here. See? Just a little bit more. It's happening. Ta-da! What a lifesaver.
For real? Now what?
Just you wait. The best is yet to come. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Into the glass you go. It's all about presentation, you know. How gorgeous is that? Perfect. And now we dip. There you go. Wow. Now for the moment of truth.
And for me?
No, just for me. Oh! I think I need a toilet. Oh no, oh no! Oh boy! What's happening? What's down there? I accidentally blew a bubble. My bad. Anyway. Score!
Oh, nicely done. I give it a 10.
Huh? Yeah! Oh, excuse me. Now what?
That's what.
No way! Shall we?
What's inside of this thing? It's chocolate. Oh, very hard chocolate.
You okay?
I don't know.
Yikes! Wait, look!
A mallet? No, bad idea.
What? No, not for you! Safety first! Things are about to get crazy up in here. Crazy pink, that is. Buckle your seatbelt, folks. I'm going in!
Oh, yeah?
Uh-huh! Ha! Break, baby, break! Wow, check out the goods!
Whoa! Maybe I should try it. Be gentle. Well, nothing? Oh, come on. Seriously? Ridiculous.
You're doing it wrong!
Wait, no!
I got this! Ha! Booyah!
Ow!
Yeah!
Thanks a lot. Hey, I'm glad it's done. Sweet.
Wanna know what else is sweet? Perfect aim! Boo!
Jeez, Mindy!
Third time's a charm. Here it comes! Nailed it! That's right!
Chocolate explosion!
That's right! Oh, what's that?
No way!
Awesome!
You can say that again.
It's all mine. That's the stuff.
It's good?
Very good.
I can tell.
Let's cut to the chase. Whew, weird. I just want a slice is all. The perfect bubblegum cake. Cheers to me. I just can't get enough. Wow.
Wow is right.
Anyway, oh boy, watch out!
Mindy, personal space? I'll fix this. Bye-bye, Bubble. See ya!
Are you kidding me?
Classic!
Okay. And yours?
Oh, I'm ready. Now this is what I call a cake. Look at those layers. So chocolatey. So good.
Oh yeah? So many slices.
Do you mind?
Greedy is an ugly color on you.
Hey, my cake! Not cool, Mindy.
Huh? You asked for this.
What? Whatever.
Me? Take that! Huh? Oh, thanks, bro.
Did you see that? Ready, set, open! Yeah, baby! Wow! What'd you get?
Bubble tape. Man, that's good.
And for me? Double chocolate trouble. Yep, just watch and learn, people. Wait, I got it! Things are getting intense.
You good? It's so late. Whoa! This place is awesome! The more pink, the better. Hey, something's tickling me. Jeez.
Almost there. Easy. Got it.
Chew!
No! My house of chocolate! It's rolling! It's rolling!
Phew, pardon me.
It's ruined every piece. All thanks to you.
Huh? I didn't mean to.
But you did! I could just… Stay calm. If at first you don't succeed, try again.
Hey, I know. I'll try a bubble. Ooh, there it is. Check these out. The more bubbles, the better. More. Perfect. That's how you do it. Bubble tower. Impressed? Huh?
No, not again!
Choo!
Mindy, no! Oh, man, I can't believe it!
My bad.
Give me that. Oh well. A for effort.
That's the spirit.